I'm Chuck Chatter, and this is your Power Scissor Horsey News Bite. Today we bring you a story about a bird who commandeered a TikToker's car. Now here's your host, Dark Nice Nightmare.
Thank you, Chuck. In late May of 2021, TikToker Hero_JP went to his car parked in an underground garage to find a mourning dove had nested on his windshield. Being a good Samaritan, he tried to gently remove the animal, but it persisted.
Aren't birds good luck?
Do you remember the time you were at the beach and that bird took your ice cream?
Yeah?
Was that good luck?
Well, no.
How about the time we were picnicking under that tree and that big black crow left that big old poop full of flies in your hair? Was that good luck?
I don't think that birds are good luck.
Neither was this TikToker because this mourning dove had laid an egg, and because mourning doves are migratory birds, it is against federal law to destroy a nest with eggs of dependent chicks.
This was a Democratic plot to stop the TikToker from voting for Donald Trump in the last election. The bird was a shape-shifting reptilian who mans Jewish space lasers.
The election wasn't in May.
Details.
Probe.
What did I tell you about probing me without diapers and mayonnaise?
Well, that's just wrong.